Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some seafood rice. Yay! So here I have some mussel and I also have some king size shrimp. Okay, so as you can see, and I'm also gonna add to my seafood rice some crayfish tail, and that's the amount that I will be using. Okay, so stay tuned. So these are all of my herbs and my seasoning. Here I have half of bell peppers, as you can see all the colors. I have one onion and just some spring onion, one straw, and I also have four garlic. And as you can see guys, I cut it all up, okay? So these are all of my seasoning. I have garlic powder, 1 teaspoon, onion powder, 1 teaspoon, Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon, black pepper, 1 teaspoon, parsley, 1 teaspoon, all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon, everyday seasoning, 1 teaspoon. I also have some curry powder guys, and that's 1 spoonful, okay? I'm gonna also add some mixed vegetable. That's at least half cup to 1 cup. So right there guys, I have 1 can of chopped tomato, and I also have 4 spoonful of tomato puree, okay? So I'm just gonna season my seafood. So I'm gonna add my crayfish tail to my mussel and to my shrimp. And then guys, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of fish seasoning, and I'm gonna also add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, okay? So now I'm adding my fish seasoning and my black pepper. You just want to mix it just a bit, and then you're just gonna add it to your seafood, okay? Just sprinkle it all over on it. And I'm gonna also add just a tiny bit of scotch bonnet pepper and some fresh thyme, okay? Then you just want to put it right on your seafood. Then you're just gonna take a spoon, guys, and just mix it all together so it is all blend. Guys, what I'm doing, I'm just building flavor, okay? And I'm gonna also add some oil to my seafood, guys. At least 2 spoonful. Then you want to mix it so it is all moist. So that's my rice there. I'm using 2 cups of basmati rice, okay? You can use whatever rice you preferred. So here I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot I add at least 5 spoonful of vegetable oil. So now I'm gonna add my onions and my garlic and my spring onions, and I'm just gonna allow it to saute, guys, for at least 1 minute. Just make sure your stove is on a medium heat, okay? So I'm just gonna give it a stir so all that flavor will combine together. So after 1 minute, now I'm gonna add my bell peppers, and guys, just allow it to saute for at least couple seconds, okay? So guys, I forgot to mention, as you can see, I leave back some of my bell peppers. So don't add all of your bell pepper to your pot. Leave back some, okay? So I'm just gonna add my canned tomato, and I'm also gonna add my tomato puree, okay? Then you want to give it a star. And guys, I'm telling you, it look amazing already. Just look at all that color. Wow. So now I'm gonna add all of my seasoning. You can just blend it all together just a bit, okay? You want to give it a stir. Just make sure everything is all combined, okay? So after, guys, I'm gonna add my curry powder, as you can see, and then you just want to continue to stir. You can leave it for at least 2 minutes, okay? So all that flavor will combine together. Just make sure your stove is on a low heat. So after 2 minutes, I'm gonna add 2 cups of water, okay? So as you're adding your water, you can just stir it, just like what I'm doing. So now I'm gonna add my mixed vegetable, okay? I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of salt. Then after you add your salt, just make sure you stir it so it is all blend, okay? And you can always taste to your liking. I'm gonna also add 1 spoonful of butter, okay? So guys, take at least 4 spoons of the liquid from your pot and put it in a bowl, okay? Because I'm gonna add it on top of my seafood, okay? So stay tuned. So now I'm gonna add my rice, and of course my rice is washed, yeah, for sure. So after you add your rice, you just want to give it a stir. And guys, I'm telling you, this right here is food prawn. It looks so good and it's not even finished. Wow, wow. So I'm gonna cover my pot, guys, and I'm just gonna allow it to cook, guys, for at least 15 minutes. So after around 15 to 10 minutes, that's what it look like. And guys, it looks so yummy and it smells amazing. So guys, this is the next step, and I'm gonna add all of my seafood, okay? Just take your time and just place them all on top of your rice. So after I add my seafood, now I'm gonna add my red pepper and all of my bell peppers, as you can see. And guys, the reason why I leave this part for last, because I want it to look nice and pretty. And I'm gonna also add some fresh lemon on top so it is nice and fresh. Just spread them all around. So that's the liquid, guys, that I tell you to leave back and to take from your bowl. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just adding it on top of my seafood so it is nice and flavorful. So guys, you're just gonna allow your rice and your seafood to cook for at least 25 to 30 minutes, okay? Just make sure your stove is on a low heat. So behind the camera, guys, I place a foil paper and I also place a plastic underneath the foil paper so my rice will cook properly and so it is steamed properly. So guys, that's what my seafood rice look like. I'm telling you guys, it looks so good. So I'm just showing you guys with my fork that my rice is all cooked and my shrimp and my mussel. And guys, I'm telling you, it looks so good and it smells amazing. Please guys, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to share this video to your families and to your friends and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and please hit that notification button so you can receive more delicious video like these. I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. So stay tuned. So I'm just plating up my seafood rice, and guys, as you can see, it is so hot. All that steam is coming right out of it. So my seafood rice is all plated up, and guys, I'm telling you, it looks so good. And I taste some, and I'm telling you, it tastes absolutely delicious. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep smiling, keep laughing, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Stay blessed. Bye.